Welcome to this tutorial on how to check your auto-assessment status on the SARS online query system. First, visit the SARS website on www.sars.gov.za. Scroll down and click on SARS online query system. Click on My Auto-Assessment Status. The Filing Season 2024 Auto-Assessment Lookup page will open. Complete all the required fields. After completing the required fields, click Continue to go to the next page. Then complete the captcha displayed on the screen and click on Submit to continue. The next screen will display if you have been auto-assessed for the 2024 tax year or not. You can then select to send the results either via SMS or email. You will then receive the result via the selected channel. Simply log out of the screen when you are done using the SARS online query system. SARS, at your service.